Why does your scanner show the P2050 engine code? What does it mean? P2050 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant injector circuit or open bank 2 Unit 1. The P2050 engine code for indicate the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or SCR controller has detected an interruption, an open circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty reductant or DEF injector, damaged wiring or connectors, inadequate DEF fluid, clogged DEF injector, faulty SCR controller or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Volkswagen, Ford, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.